phase 1 is going to be to apply that quadratic formula, which means one side's got to equal 0. So the best way to make this equation equal 0 is to draw that line, remove this 1 from both sides, leaving me with x squared minus 2x minus 6 equals 0. This makes my a value 1, the b value negative 2, the c value negative 6. I'm not going to write the quadratic formula down for you this time. You probably have it in your notes already, so I'm going to say it as I do it. I'm going to say x equals, hear how I say it, opposite of b, plus or minus, square root of b squared, so if I square that b it's 4, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. Look, I do this for a living, and I still say the formula to myself when I use it. So if you're struggling with this, try saying the formula to yourself as you use it. Say opposite of b, write down the opposite of b. Say this plus or minus, write down the plus or minus. Say b squared, figure out b squared. Say it as you do it, it really helps. And then we're going to focus all of our attention, of course, on this inner part. And order of operations dictates that we take care of this portion of it first. So if you've been struggling with this, in my head I'm thinking of 4 minus 4 times 1 times negative 6, but I'm doing this part of the calculation first. That's a positive 24. So I get 4 plus 24 all over 2. 4 plus 24 is 28, so I get 2 plus or minus the square root of 28 all over 2. That is a nasty, nasty decimal. So now we're going to use our new powers of simplifying radicals to leave it in an exact form, not get a decimal that we're going to have to round, but leave it exact. And we'll look at how to break that 28 up so that it can be a simplified version of the answer.